Welcome back. Today we're going to talk sun and shade with Masa's EcoShade Aluminum Sun Shading Series. Stay tuned. Sunlight makes us feel good. However, it also raises temperatures and electric bills. Internal shades are okay at blocking sun. However, once the sun hits these, the heat is already inside the building. The key to controlling heat gain is through external shading systems, such as Masa's EcoShade Aluminum Sun Shading Series. Let's talk numbers. Buildings account for 40% of the world's energy use and CO2 emissions. That's more than either the industry or transportation sectors. Nearly 50% of a building's energy use is heating and cooling. EcoShade can reduce solar heat gain in the summer by 65% on south-facing windows and 77% on west-facing windows. The result is a reduction in inside temperatures by 8 to 15 degrees. Because EcoShade is made from extruded aluminum, it's durable, long-lasting, and will require very little maintenance. This saves you money in the long run. EcoShade is available as a plate outrigger or framed system. And like our other products, EcoShade is available in endless color varieties. Our fully assembled EcoShade will be delivered to your site and installed by Masa professionals. Think about it this way. Would you rather wait until you're sick to go to the doctor or take a little preventative medicine beforehand? Would you rather wait until your car breaks down or get a few oil changes along the way to prevent that? Think about sun shading the same way. EcoShade Aluminum Sun Shading Systems by Masa, the gold standard.